I'm Chris. This is Yellow Productions. I do travel guides that are fun, informative, entertaining. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I see. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you down Fremont Street in the morning about 8:30 a.m. I am starting at the Plaza Hotel and walking towards Las Vegas Boulevard. Now, most people come down to Fremont Street at night. It is known for having a super lively party atmosphere, but a lot of people ask me, Chris, is it worthwhile to come in the daytime? And so you can watch this and see if you think so. You want to come here in the daytime, explore what it looks like right now. But as you can see, if you like a peaceful Fremont Street experience, this is definitely the time to come here because you will have the whole place all to yourself. Last night, there was live entertainment, tons of people down here. Now it is, it's empty. There's people just doing maintenance. It's quiet. You can see the shows for Viva Vision tonight start at 6 p.m. And go until 2 a.m. So yes, the Fremont Street Experience is hopping until quite late at night. We just passed the Circa on the right. The Circa was on our left. Golden Gate was on the right. Coming up here, we've got the Whiskey Liquor Up and Down bar right there. The saloon on the right is the Golden Nugget Hotel, which has a pretty neat water slide that goes through like an aquarium in the casino. It's pretty neat to go in there. On this trip, I was staying at the Circa. If you're wondering, why is Chris up so early down at Fremont Street? That's why I woke up early and figured I would take my camera out and see. Now, these little black circles that are down here, these are kind of like where people can set up and do street performances. It's also popular to make these things out of corn husks, what we see going on right now, some little corn husk art. Also popular to play the drum on what like paint cans or things like that. The showgirls like to come down here at night too. You can see these little stalls, these stands. These were closed last night too. They weren't open either then. But just some nice, soothing music over the Viva Vision speakers here in the morning. In the distance, you're starting to see Slotzilla, the big slot machine in the back where the zip line goes down the Fremont Street Experience. And here on the right, we've got Four Queens, and we've got the Fremont Casino as we are crossing Casino Center Boulevard. This is basically the equivalent of the center of the Fremont Street Experience. We'll go ahead and look down this way as we wait to cross the street. This is, we've got some cleaning crews here, keeping it all clean. Some friendly security guards over there on bicycles. I don't know, I kind of it's neat, I feel, to see it at this time of the morning. Obviously, I don't think you would make a special trip here just to see it like this in the morning. But, if you are staying in one of these hotels, you might want to take a little walk down Fremont Street before breakfast, after breakfast, just to experience it with such calm. Because calm isn't usually what I think of when I think of Las Vegas in general, but actually even Fremont Street. I also like to walk the Strip in the morning because it's also quite calm. You go out to the Strip in the morning, you will often see people running, jogging, doing their morning exercise on the Strip, because that's about the only time you could do your morning jog on the Strip. Over on the right, this is the Four Queens Bar. There's the Juana Taco Restaurant. We've got some more friendly security guards here hanging out. There's a big Christmas tree because I'm shooting this in December. The holidays are coming up here. Here's one of the Fremont Street Experience stages. There are 3 of these stages for live entertainment around the Fremont Street Experience. The gift shops are all still closed at this hour. I'll point out, there is a McDonald's here on the side of the D, so if you're looking for cheap breakfast, there's a McDonald's over there. There was a Dunkin' Donuts on the left too. for fast, quick, cheap breakfasts. I got my breakfast this morning from the ABC store, just because, well, you might be, Chris, isn't it closed? Actually, I got it last night from the ABC store and ate it this morning. All right, and we are almost coming up to the end of the Viva Vision screen, and so this is where you can see Slotzilla more clearly. That big slot machine, that's a zip line. Last night there was a power outage here in Fremont Street, and I don't know if those things run on power, but for whatever reason there was somebody who got stuck in the middle of the zip line, and somebody had to come and get her off of it. They don't set up a crane or things like that, but they just have someone come from the other side. There's a couple of gift shops open at this hour. These are the classic Vegas souvenir gift shops where you can get all your touristy stuff that you might possibly want or not want, maybe. In my case, probably not want. I've been in those shops enough, and there's nothing left for me in there. So Walgreens here on the right, if you're staying in downtown and looking for another spot to get cheap supplies, cheap food, cheap snacks, cheap water, Walgreens is going to be even cheaper than the ABC store. This little plaza, also, if you're looking for breakfast, there's a Denny's in here. You can get married in these Denny's. They have a wedding package. Also, the Heart Attack Grill is in this plaza, famous for that. There's a karaoke bar, and a sign to let us know there's a Chick-fil-A open in Car Seat Tower, not right next to us here, though. If you're looking to buy tickets for Slotzilla, this is where you buy the tickets in the big Slotzilla tickets sold here shop. And then where you see the sign that says Fremont East District, that is where Fremont Street crosses over Las Vegas Boulevard. So this street is Las Vegas Boulevard. This is technically the strip right here as it comes into downtown. I want to mention the Heart Attack Grill to show you that is right here. If you're over 350 pounds, you eat free at the Heart Attack Grill. And then they have their signs that say, as seen on TV. And the Fremont East District is a pretty neat walk to go down because there's a lot of old Las Vegas neon down there. I think actually the Fremont East District is almost a better walk in the daytime than it is at night because Fremont East can get, well, a little sketchy at nighttime. I think the best time probably to walk Fremont East is in the daytime around lunch. That's when you're going to find, I think, this neighborhood feeling the most vibrant. Certainly right here around Las Vegas Boulevard, these are a lot of bars, and these stay open late. But if you go, 3 or 4 blocks past the container park, then there's a lot of, coffee shops and things like that that maybe are just morning and afternoon spots. I want to get to the one of the classic Vegas neon signs and the El Cortez Hotel. El Cortez, classic downtown Vegas hotel that used to be owned by mobster Bugsy Siegel. That's right. It's been there for quite a long time. And you can see it's probably even more peaceful over on this side of downtown than the Fremont Street Experience. And that classic Vegas neon I want to show you is up here. This Vegas sign right there. That's pretty cool. That lights up at night. Not last night when I was here because there was a power outage. Otherwise, I'd show you in here what it looks like lit up last night. And then here is the El Cortez Hotel. Just another bit of classic Vegas history. Well, fellow explorers, that is downtown Las Vegas during the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of my videos from Vegas, you'll find links right here in the screen or links in the description below. If you want to see what inside the Circa Hotel looks like if you were choosing to stay there, then you'll find that right here. But there's a lot more to see too, because as usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in the next video.